Okay, so this is our problem number 1 for shear and moment for frames. Okay, so draw the shear and moment diagram and the elastic curve of the rigid frame below. So ito yung example natin. So meron tayong 3 members, member AB, BC, and CD. Then, mga applied load natin is horizontal 50 kN, and yung ating triangular load na 15 kN per meter, and yung ating rectangular load na 20 kN meter sa member BC. And yung ating support is hinge and roller. So, yung sabihin, simply supported lamang yung ating frame. Kasi ito lamang yung type of frame na statically determinate structure. Okay? So, kapag chinek mo yung is the determinacy. Okay? Kapag chinek yung determinacy, it is statically determinate. Okay? So, ngayon, isolve natin yung reaction muna ng ating frame bago tayo So, ang gawin natin, isolve muna natin yung reaction ng ating mga support. Okay? So, since ang ating A is a hinge support, okay? So, this is AB. Assume natin na ang ating AH is to the right. So, this is AH. And since ang ating supported D is roller, isa lang yan. Okay? So, RD. Okay? So, kung magbibilangan tayo ng mga unknown, okay, ilang unknown na horizontal reaction, isa lang AH. So, therefore, pwede natin isolve agad yung AH natin. By, okay, summation of forces horizontal is equals to 0. To the right is positive. So, positive AH, okay, minus 50. Yung ating triangular load, okay, positive 1/2 multiplied by 15, okay, multiplied by 6 meters is equals to 0. Or yung ating AH, ang makukuha natin dyan is positive 5 kilonewton. So, since positive, tama yung ating direction to the right. Okay? Next naman, solve natin yung RD by taking a moment at A. Kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-summation of forces vertical kasi dalawa yung unknown. So, summation of moment at A is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So, counterclockwise ang RD. So, negative RD multiplied by 6 meters. Okay? Counterclockwise din yung 50 kilonewton. So, negative 50 multiplied by, okay? So, yung A natin is 6 meters from B at yung B is pantay sa C. At yung ating 50 kilonewton, 2 meters below C. Therefore, para makuha yung ating moment arm ng 50 kilonewton to A, it is equals to 6 meters minus 2 meters. So, that is 4 meters. Tapos yung ating 20 kilonewton per meter, iikot ng, okay, clockwise. So, that is positive 20 multiplied by 6 multiplied by moment arm na 6 over 2. Okay? Tapos, yung ating 15 kilonewton per meter, iikot ng clockwise. So, that is positive 1/2 of 15 kilonewton multiplied by 6. Ito, yung 6. Okay, multiplied by moment arm na, okay, 1/3 of 6 is equals to 0. So, yung ating RD, okay, is equals to 41.667 kilonewton. So, positive. Therefore, it is upward. Okay? And by summation of forces vertical, since ang unknown na lang natin na vertical forces is AB, makukuha na natin yung AB. Okay? So, AB, okay, plus yung RD, 41.667 minus 20 kilonewton per meter multiplied by 6 is equals to 0. So, yung ating AB is equals to 78.333 kilonewton. So, positive. Therefore, upward. Tama yung direction ng AB. Upward. Okay? So, ngayon, nasolve na natin yung mga reaction ng ating support. Ang gagawin na natin is i-isolate lahat ng members ng ating frame. So, magsimula ng dito sa shear and moment sa frame, mas maganda na sinisimulan natin na mag-isolate ng member at mag-drawing ng shear and moment from left to right. So, unahin natin yung member AB from left. Tapos, natin yung BC, then CD. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin natin, yung mga member natin, iti-treat natin siya as a single beam. So, kung paano tayo shear and moment sa beam, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa mga member ng ating frames. Okay? From left to right din. So, kung i-consider natin yung ating member AB, ang gagawin natin dyan, mag-shear and moment tayo from A to B. Okay? So, gawin na natin. Kunin natin yung ating member AB. So, yes, fix nga pala to. Fix yung ating connection sa BNC. So, ito yung ating member AB. So, this is A and this is B. Then, this is the applied load na 15 kN per meter. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, yung kanyang dimension, which is what? 6 meters. Okay? Tapos, yung mga reaction. Ang reaction natin sa A, upward is, okay, 78.333. Yung ating AH is 5 kN. Okay? Tapos, yung ating reaction sa B is tatlo. Since fixed connection yan, tatlo yung ating reaction. Okay? Isang horizontal, 17 ito yung PH, directed to the left. Then, downward na BV, and yung moment niya. Sabihin natin, yes, obvious naman na ang moment natin sa B is clockwise. Bakit? Kasi yung ating 15 kN per meter at 5 kN, iikot ng counterclockwise sa B. So, para ma-resist yung moment na yun, kailangan yung ating moment sa B is clockwise. Okay? So, clockwise moment at B. Okay? Tapos, i-ready na rin natin para sa shear end moment natin. So, dito yung ating shear end moment. So, solve natin yung mga unknown internal reaction. Ito yung sasabi ko sa inyo, internal reaction. Kasi, internal support yan. At ang support natin dito sa B and C is fixed connection or fixed support. Okay? So, solve natin. Ilan ang unknown natin na vertical? Isa lang, BV. And isa rin na PH. So, pwede natin masolve itong tatlong to kahit ano yung unahin natin. Moment, vertical, and horizontal. Okay? So, summation of forces vertical is equals to 0. Upward is positive. Okay? So, isa lang naman ang dyan. Tawag ito. Ang ating reaction na unknown na vertical, BV. Downward yan. At ito, upward. Therefore, ang ating BV is equals to 78.333 kN. Okay? Yung ating BH, summation of forces, horizontal is equals to 0. To the right is positive. So, negative BH plus 1/2 of 15 kN multiplied by 6. Okay? Plus 5 kN is equals to 0. At ang ating BH is equals to 50 kN. Okay? So, tama yung mga direction. Moment. Summation of moment at B is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So, positive ang moment at B. Okay? Then, yung ating 5 kN is counterclockwise. So, negative 5 multiplied by 6. And counterclockwise din yung ating 15 kN per meter. So, negative 1/2 of 15 multiplied by 6. Okay. So, since ang 0 point ng yung ating triangular load is nasa B, therefore, ang kanyang moment arm is 2/3 of 6. So, 2/3 of 6 is equals to 0. Okay? Kaya ang ating moment at B is equals to, okay, positive 210 kN/meter. So, since positive, ibig sabihin, tama yung rotation natin na inassume. Okay? So, this is, Hindi pa natin kailangan ng ano dito. Kasi mamaya, sa BC, babalik-balik na natin yung mga sign nila. Okay, so tama na clockwise siya. Okay, so ang gawin natin, mag-shear moment na tayo. Okay, sa AB. So this is, okay, A, B for shear. Okay, medyo nakakalito lang to. Okay, pwede nyo naman gawing baliktarin nyo to para di kayo malito. Okay, pero anyway, ganito kasi dapat, dito na nakasanay okay. So 5 kilonewton, ano ba yung 5 kilonewton dito sa shear na to? It is what? Downward, tama ba? Pag hinihiga natin yung ating member AB, ang ating 5 kilonewton meter is pababa. Okay, so dito siya. So negative what? 5. Okay, so negative 5 plus this area, ano rin ba tong area na to? Pababa, tama ba? So since pababa siya, magiging minus. So negative 5 plus negative 1 half of 15 times 6 meters. So that is what? Okay, so negative 50 kilonewton. Okay, the negative 50 plus BH na 50 kilonewton, 0. Okay, yan. So 0 siya. Okay, since first degree to, ibig sabihin second degree ng ating shear. So, try natin. Kapatid ni Dexter, yan, si Didi. Okay, so this is positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay, ano ba yung ating loading? Negative yan, kasi downward, tama ba? Downward siya kapag hiniga natin yung ating member AB. So, downward yung ating load. Therefore, it is negative. So, dito tayo. Negative. Then, nag-start siya saan? Sa 15 kilonewton to 0. Therefore, it is negative what? Negative decreasing. So, negative decreasing. Ito siya. So, kung hiniga natin to, ito yung ating beam. Ito yung negative 5 kilonewton. Ito yung negative 50 kilonewton. At ang ating gagamitin is negative decreasing. Therefore, pag ganyan. Okay? So, pag ganito siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Tinint lang natin siya as single beam. So, dapat dito, praktisado nyo na yung pagkuha ng, or pag-drawing ng shear and moment diagram sa beam. Kasi ito, marami itong beam. Okay? So, meron pa siyang iba't ibang type of loads. So, kabisado nyo na. Okay, so, moment naman tayo. Ang moment natin sa A is 0. Okay? At ang moment natin sa B is what? Okay? So, sorry. 0 pala. 0 to. Then, yung area ng shear. So, ano to? Dalawang area yan. Area na ano? Area na rectangular. Yan. Rectangle and isang spandrel. At ang spandrel natin is what? 2/3 of spandrel. Kasi ito yung ano? Ito yung 1/3. Ito yung 1/3. Ito yung naman yung 2/3. Okay? So, makuha natin yung area niyan. So, 0 to. Then, yung ating ano, yung 0 minus kasi negative. Okay? So, 0 minus this area. Ang area na to is isang rectangle. This is what? Negative 5 times 6. Okay? Then, itong spandrel na to is 2/3 of what? 2/3 of 6 multiplied by height. Ang height niya is what? 50 minus 5. That is what? 45. Okay? At ang makukuha natin dyan is negative 210. Okay? The negative 210, then yung moment natin sa B. Ang moment natin sa B is clockwise na 210. So, negative 210 plus 210, that is what? 0. Okay? Next, yung ano naman? Yung ating curvature. So, this is negative 10. 0. Okay? So, this is yung ating shear. Ano ba yan? Nasaan siya? Nasa negative side of the beam. Okay? So, negative to. So, dito tayo mamimili. Then, nag-start siya saan? So, 5. Nag-end up sa 50. So, that is what? Negative increasing. Okay? So, negative increasing. Okay? Kasi 5 to 50. And paalala ko lang sa inyo, kapag nagkukuha tayo ng curvature para sa moment, disregarded yung sign. So, this is positive 5, this is 50. So, 5 kilonewton to 50 kilonewton sa shear. So, nag-increase siya. So, negative, increasing. Okay? So, negative, increasing. Ayan. Okay, meron na tayong shear moment sa AB.